So here we are at the Joytown 2022 one-of-a-kind festival, giving you insiders access to the thrilling world of BMW motoring. In this video, I'll be covering all the 3 driving experiences: xDrive off-road adventure, BMW M Adrenaline laps and the Gymkhana Experience. While the whole vlog for the Joytown Fest will be up soon, so here we go. BMW's M Adrenaline laps. This is the BMW's M Adrenaline lap where you get the front seat ride to experience the wildest beamers, the M series, driven by pros. When do you accelerate? I'm in the corner.
So when I'm coming out of the corner, once it's about to sidestep, I just go power on, so just break the traction.
Okay. So the traction is not on this vehicle right now. Okay.
It's turned off.
The Gymkhana Experience: accelerate, brake, drift and repeat. We will be experiencing maneuvering our choice of BMW or Mini on specifically prepared track. So this is the lineup for the Gymkhana. We have Mini Countryman, 5 Series, Mini Cooper S, another Mini Cooper S with some crazy custom paint job, a 3 Series, and I will be choosing the 5 Series 530i. This is the petrol variant powered by a 2-liter twin-power turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 252 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. This is the key fob of the car with M stripes on the sides.
Can you hear me on the radio? Just give me a thumbs up. Alright, good afternoon, car number 5 and car number 6. You can start following the lead car. I'll be the lead there. 5, you can wait behind me. This activity is called Gymkhana. First, we will do a lap where we just go around the track. I'll show you the track. Since you have to move around the cones, you need to memorize the track. Get 3 to 4 laps where we'll do runs one by one. So I'll take you to the start point first. The place where I am right now is the starting point. You can see 2 standing cones and there are 2 cones that are lying down pointing either direction. This is called a gate, so this is your starting point. We'll start from here. When we do the activity, we'll do it one by one. Right now, you both can follow me. We'll just go around the track so that you understand the layout of the track. Our first turn is a slight left-hander. The cones which you see on the track which are lying down indicate the direction that you have to go into. This would be your second turn. We go through this flowing left-hand U-turn. As soon as you come out of the left-hand U-turn, you see a gate in front of you. You go through that gate. There's a final gate and there's a box right in front of you. You brake and stop in the box. There will be a cone which will be right in front of you. You have to stop before that cone. Our team will remove the cone. Car 5, you can move to the start point, wait for my instructions. Go to the start point right there. If you can wait behind car 5. Car 5 and 6 will be doing about 3 to 4 laps of this activity. You can start. First lap you can be a little slow so that you understand the track and then you can try and go a little faster. Car number 5, go. Six, 5, go. Car 5, go. Yep. you can go. Go for the next one.
xDrive off-road adventure. In this, we'll hop on a BMW X series and their off-road experts will take us on a ride to see things differently.
So welcome to the xDrive. My name is Kiran and we have this X3 M Sport and this is the X view. So here you will be able to see the ankles, the tilt ankle and all the information where we are heading, the direction and how above the from the sea level is. So all these information are here and so I'll explain the first obstacle. This is articulation ramps. So here we'll be demonstrating the xDrive, the intelligent drive technology. So it's a all-wheel drive vehicle. So whenever we loses traction in one of the wheels, so it automatically detects and increase the distribute the power to the other wheels which have traction. So if we stuck somewhere in a slippery surface, so where we are getting traction, the power will goes to that particular wheel. So we can basically come out from the situation.
So this is the articulation ramp, right?
Yeah.
So right now this wheel is in air.
No, this have traction. Okay. Now the left one doesn't have traction.
So the other wheels will have the engine power distributed to
The
them.
three wheels have traction. But the front left doesn't have.
So the engine will distribute the power to
that. Yes. The other three.
So that is what the xDrive is doing right now.
Exactly.
Like for this we have to change the mode for off-roading or something, or like just the normal?
No, just a comfort mode is good enough.
Okay.
Just to showcase the suspension.
These stairs, na?
Yeah.
But like in real life scenarios, all these are not advisable, right? Like or you could do this.
You can do it, but you should be very careful. Side incline. So here you can appreciate the structural rigidity of the vehicle. And same thing. we don't have traction on the
This wheel.
front, right?
Okay.
Now
So there's
the
a
three wheel have traction. Okay.
Okay.
See, still the vehicle is very
Okay.
stable.
Okay.
Now the rear left doesn't have traction.
Okay.
You can see the angle also. See, the tilt angle is 23.
Okay. Okay.
So this ramp will demonstrate the hill hold assist.
Okay.
So if you are stopped in between a small ascent, so normally what happens once you release the brake, it will roll back.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So here you will get 3 seconds time to release the brake and
Okay.
apply accelerator. So I'm releasing the brake. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
See, it's
Yeah.
a time to release the brake and give acceleration.
Okay. Okay.
See, again you can see the angle also here.
It's 25 degrees.
Yeah. So again another technology we have is
Hill descent control.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that we activated. Once it's activated, you can see one symbol over here,
Okay.
and you can reduce the speed also using this toggle button.
Okay.
Okay. And right now it's in minimum
Okay.
speed is 3 km/h.
Okay.
So now I'm releasing the brake.
Okay.
Now I'm slightly increasing the speed to 5.
Okay.
Again reduce to 3.
Okay. Okay.
So that's how the hill descent control works.
Okay. So can we do this with the accelerator also, like, or do we have to do this with the toggle button?
Toggle
only?
button.
Okay.
Always use the toggle button to adjust the hill descent speed.
Okay. Okay.
If you accelerate, it overrides.
Okay. Okay.
So once you
The
accelerate,
hill descent control will get override, na?
yeah. So whenever you give acceleration,
Hmm.
if you are in a real life situation, if you are driving down
Okay.
and suddenly a slippery surface came and then you accelerate,
Hmm.
then suddenly a slippery surface came, then you release the acceleration, then
Okay.
it will catch us.
Okay.
The hill descent control again activated.
Okay. Okay.
Once you tap it, it releases.
Okay. Okay.
Overrides basically, not releases,
Okay.
overrides.